Hey J babes. Firstly, I hope that the traffic that's passing by is not too distracting from my sound. But if so, I will just have to re-record this video. Anyways, so today we are doing a DIY gold album plaque, okay? This type of DIY is a good gift for if you have friends that are artists, music lovers, a good wall art to give as a gift, right? So I was inspired to create this gold album because I have a friend who is an artist, and I wanted to encourage him and push him and let him know that I believe in him and that I am confident that you will one day get a gold album plaque, okay? So I learned how to do this. I got the instructions on how to do this from another YouTuber or YouTubers. They have a DIY channel, and it's sorry guys. Their name is Jazz&Marty, and I will be sure to put their information in the description. So y'all go check them out because they have a whole lot of DIY things, and they show you how to do it. And their videos are very easy to follow, very helpful, and it's great stuff on there. So y'all go and check them out. Okay, so let's jump into the video. So I did include a list of things that you guys are going to need, and you'll see that coming up shortly once the instructions start. But some things that I did not include, you're going to need for sure a 12.5 by 12.5 picture for your album cover. You will need a 4x4 sticker that's going to go in the center, the center of your album itself. And then you're going to need a long plaque, and it'll be a 2x6 plaque, okay? And then you're going to need a short plaque, and it's going to be a 3x3, 3x3 for your short plaque. And I included a logo as well, and I did that a size 6x6, and you'll see what I mean once I show you the actual put together. All right. Okay. And on Jazz&Marty, I believe he used Adobe Reader to design everything and to make all of his like the plaque info and everything. I used Canva and Microsoft Word. So I used for my long plaque to type up what I wanted. I literally went and typed what I wanted it to say, and you'll see what it says like once I show you the pictures. But it says this award given to artist name for the to commemorate the sale of X amount of copies of the #1 hit single, whatever. So you decide what you want your plaque to say, but something along those lines. I literally typed that up on Microsoft Word, put a box around it, filled in the color for the box, and yeah, had it sized, right? And I used Canva to create my sticker that went in the center of my album. I literally found a design on Canva that was already in the shape of a circle. I went in and edited what I wanted it to say. I literally followed what Marty from Jazz&Marty. I looked at his circle and saw the setup of how he had it, went into Canva and literally put that info inside of the already made design. And then for my short plaque, I did the same thing. I literally went on Canva, found a square shape, and I just changed the info and put the info that I wanted on that short plaque, which was the company name, the mock company name that I wanted to go on the album. That was like the record company name. So I literally did Canva, and I sent all of this to my email and had it printed out and sized at Office Depot and had them printed out. Also, last thing guys, and I promise we're going to jump right into the video. Don't quit on me. But I had them printed out. I had everything at Office Depot printed out onto cardstock. So the reason I did that was so that I could hot glue everything. So I didn't, because I didn't have a glue stick, which is easy to buy. If you just have a glue stick, then, and you're not using all hot glue, then you don't have to worry about getting it on cardstock. But I did cardstock because I knew that I would only be using hot glue, and I didn't want the print of the hot glue to show through the regular paper and make it bulky. So I used cardstock for everything. So I'm only using hot glue to put everything together. All right, and without further ado, let's make a gold album plaque, guys. All right, guys, so for this project, you will need a black poster board, gold spray paint, a glue gun and glue sticks, a 16 by 20 poster frame, scissors, a pen or pencil, and an album, preferably one that you won't be listening to. This was the only one available at the store. So now you can go ahead and take that gold spray paint and spray paint your poster frame as well as your album so that it can be drying while you're working on everything else. Now take your poster frame, remove the plastic and the paper. Don't throw it away, but just remove it, take it apart so that it's just your cardboard. Next, you're going to take your poster board, line your cardboard up on the poster board, then take your pen or pencil and trace that cardboard shape onto the poster board. It should look something like this. And then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut that shape out. And once you're done, your cardboard and your poster board should be the same shape. And you're going to go ahead and line those up and hot glue that poster board to the cardboard. Okay, guys, now this is where your album cover, your sticker, your long plaque, and short plaque come into play. Hopefully you had that already printed out and have it ready to line up against your poster board. If not, if you are using Adobe Reader, then I would refer you to Jazz&Marty's video where he explains in detail exactly how to do this using Adobe Reader. I used, like I said in the beginning, Microsoft Word and Canva. If you did that, or if you use Adobe Reader, now you're ready for your next step. You're going to take your picture, your circle, your album, everything that you just created, and you're going to put it together. Starting with your album and your circle, you'll first hot glue your album to the poster board where you want it to go. Then take your sticker and glue it to the center. And then you can go ahead and take your album cover, glue it in position, followed by your long plaque and then your short plaque. Once you have everything glued into place, go ahead and replace the plastic cover from your poster frame. Put the original frame back on the poster frame, and you should have something that looks like this. There you have it, guys, a gold album plaque award. And the 6x6 logo that I added was the teddy bear, and I just added that for, an extra detail. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If you do want more thorough instructions, make sure you guys go and check out Jazz&Marty. And make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on the upcoming goodies that I have in store. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.